Hi y'all, welcome back to my channel, Venom and Peonies. I'm Bree. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make spicy pork rice bowls. Now you can feel free to replace the pork with any other ground meat you prefer, and it's going to be absolutely fine. It's going to be just as delicious. So in an effort to keep my videos a little bit shorter, I am just clipping step by step for you to follow along. The recipe is going to be in the box below with all the ingredients and the measurements. So yeah, please comment, like, subscribe, share, all of the above, and I totally appreciate you guys and your support. Stay tuned. Hi y'all, welcome back. Today we're going to be making sweet chili pork bowls, but you can replace the pork with any ground meat that you prefer. You could do ground turkey, ground chicken, no big deal. Okay, so the first step in making your rice is you're going to put your rice and the water and some salt and bring it to a boil. In the front, I'm roasting peanuts. So what I want to do is I want to add a little bit of oil and a little bit of sugar until you can smell the peanuts. And that is going to be step one. All right, at this point you can see your peanuts have become a little bit golden. They're nice and toasty. You can hear it sizzle. I've added 2 tablespoons of water and it's evaporated out of here already. So it's a good time for me to remove these peanuts off the stove and set them aside for later. Okay, at this point we've cleaned the pot and we're going to proceed to add a little bit of oil. In this oil, your pot is still hot, technically, right? Your pan should still be hot. At this point we're going to add our pepper, which was sliced, and we're going to add our onion, which is also sliced. Okay, and we're going to start stirring until they are translucent and browning. In the meantime, your rice is boiling already, so you want to go ahead and stir it up. Make sure it's not sticking to the bottom, and continue to let it boil until the water is completely evaporated. Okay, I wanted to show you guys at this point the rice, as you can tell, has evaporated completely. So you're going to even it out. Make sure it's nothing really stuck to the bottom. Sorry about that. We're going to lower the heat all the way low and we're going to cover it. And we're not going to mess with this rice for now. The front, they're still not all the way where I want them. So I will cook these a few more minutes until they are a little bit more brown. Okay y'all, this looks a little bit closer to what I want them to look like. So at this point I'm going to lower the heat to low real quick and remove these out of this pan because I'm going to use this pan for my next step without washing. Okay, so I've removed all of the veggies. I'm going to add a little bit more oil again. Okay, more olive oil. My pan is still pretty warm, pretty hot. At this point I'm going to throw in my pork. I'm going to try to flatten it out. Okay, and I'm going to leave it alone until it crisps up. Then I'll try to break it up into smaller pieces. I also want to make sure that I am salting and peppering my pork or chicken or turkey or whatever ground protein you decide to use. So it's been a few minutes since I added this pork in here. Now I want to squeeze a quarter of a lemon. Make sure that no seeds go into it. Or actually lime, sorry, not a lemon. It's a lime. Okay. At this point I can start breaking it up. And let it cook. You can see it kind of crisped up on one side. You're going to let it cook for another 3 to 4 minutes. And then we'll add the veggies back in. Alright folks, it appears that my pork is cooked all the way through from what I can see. At this point, I want to add back in the veggies that I cooked previously. Okay. And I'm also going to add the sweet soy glaze, which is basically teriyaki. And I'm also going to add Thai chili sauce of this brand. You can pick a sauce that you prefer. Sorry about the dogs, if you can hear them. And I'm going to add that into here at this point. And I'm also going to add a few leaves of cilantro because I really enjoy cilantro, but if you don't like cilantro, you don't have to do that. But I just think it adds a little bit more. And then I'm going to add some fresh cilantro at the end as well. I make sure that I take them off getting the leaves off of their little branches, the stems or whatever. Okay, and I'm gonna mix it all together. And you guys, we're almost done. This smells so delicious. I hope it smells as delicious for you guys, which I'm sure it does if you're following these instructions carefully. You're gonna get the same exact result. Yeah, oh yeah, look at that. That looks awesome. We'll be back in a few minutes. All right, folks, it's been a few minutes. I am back here. The meat looks phenomenal and it is done. So we are going to make sure that the rice is all the way done. And the rice is tricky because you want to make sure you're getting a few of those grains and that there's a little bit of chew but not too much chew. And I think this might need maybe 1 or 2 more minutes. So we're going to cover it and come back. All right. Let's see one more time just to be sure, because you don't want to serve undercooked rice because that is gross. Oh yeah. Yep. Okay. And I've been a little naughty. I've been using my same spoon for both pots, but I'm just not trying to do extra dishes, you know. Okay, so remember, every time I cook, I'm cooking 2 servings, so I'm gonna have leftovers. And if you guys want to make for more than 2 people, you're obviously going to need to double the recipe. Here we go again. All right, make sure your stove is off, and I'm topping my bowl with my veggies and my meat. You guys, this looks so good. Okay, I'm gonna top it off with these cilantro leaves just because I like me some fresh cilantro. And let's not forget those roasted peanuts from earlier. All right, I got the peanuts. Gonna pour a few of them on this bowl. And we are done. Folks, can you see this? I hope you guys enjoy your sweet chili bowls. Comment below and let me know how much you love them. Bye.